What's going on, YouTube? So this video is going to be a little bit of a different one, as you guys can see in the title. We installed the APR mirrors. I think it's APR. I'm getting confused. It's APR or ARP. I know ARP is a different brand, but still. The APR carbon mirrors on the Silver Coupe, on Peep's Silver Coupe. But I had a little bit of a technical difficulty that I didn't find out till after. My external mic on my GoPro took a doo-doo, stopped working, and I didn't find this out till I went to go edit that video, and actually another video that we installed a double din and we fixed this whole sound system and everything in this car. So that video went no bueno. I'm still gonna make like a little a YouTube short, just kind of showing you guys how it looked, how we fixed it up, how Miguel helped us help them rewire everything, reroute it. It looks a lot cleaner. But I'm upset that that happened, but it is what it is. This one I still want to show you guys the outcome of the coupe with the mirror, so I'm gonna make like a little bit of cinematic. It's gonna be a little short cinematic. I'm sorry guys, I didn't know. But yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. You know, I'm trying. It just, you know, that kind of upset me, so it put me back, you know, some time on dropping a video. Also, I'm gonna drop the link in the description. Make sure you guys use code Phantom15 for any of your, you know, LED needs, whether it be, you know, headlights, reverse lights, dome lights, all that type of stuff. They have off-road lights. You know, you guys get 15% off. So that, like I said, that link's gonna be in the description. Hope you guys enjoy this video.